Mr. Weaver's garden is in the shape of a rectangle. In the garden there is a patio in the shape of a rectangle and two ponds in the shape of circles with diameters 3.8 meters. The rest of the garden is grass. Mr. Weaver is going to spread fertilizer over all the grass. One box of fertilizer will cover 25 meters squared of grass. How many boxes of fertilizer does Mr. Weaver need? You must show your working. So how many boxes of fertilizer? Okay, so the total area of garden is equal to 17 times 9.5. 17 multiplied by 9.5, and we can tap that in the calculator. So 17 times 9.5 equals 161.5 square meters. So that's the total area of the garden. The area of the ponds then? So the area of a pond, so let's just write it in more of a understandable form. The area of each pond is pi r squared, isn't it? But it's a diameter, so we'll have to divide by 2. So it's pi, this divided by 2 is 1.9 pi r squared. So we're going to tap that in the calculator. Shift pi times 1.9 squared. 3.61 pi, isn't it? Let's just write it like that. 3.61 pi meters squared. Okay, that's the area of each pond, and there's two ponds. The area of the patio also. So area of patio equals, so it would be 2.8 times 9.5. 2.8 multiplied by 9.5. So let's tap that in. 2.8 times 9.5 equals 26.6 meters squared. So the area of grass then, area of grass is equal to the total area of garden take away 2 times the pond area of each pond. So we take away the pond and then take away the patio area. Okay, so what have we got there then? The area of the grass. So that equals then total area of garden, 161.5, minus 2 lots of the area of each pond, 3.61 pi, minus the patio area, which is 26.6, which equals, tap that in the calculator then, 161.5 minus 2 times 3.61 times pi, close bracket, minus the 26.6 equals 112.2 meters squared, isn't it? 112.2 meters squared, and that's to 1 decimal place. Now, each box of fertilizer covers 25 meters squared of grass. So how many boxes will be needed? 4 lots of 25 is equal to 100 meters squared, and 5 lots of 25 is equal to 125 meters squared. So it's clear then, isn't it? Mr. Weaver needs Mr. Weaver then will need 5 boxes of grass seed to cover his lawn.